Hi everyone, my name is Atanu. I'm currently doing my IOT course from SP Robotics Lab. I'm associated with the makerspace in HSR Layout, Bangalore. So I will go to share with you the project that I'm doing after completing the course to apply some of the things that I've learned over the course. So the project I have is a vehicle that we can use, let's say, in entertainment centers to take a quick joyride. It's fully autonomous, which means that it's don't need any driver, and also it operates with voice command. I will explain you the whole setup here. So this is my project. So I will explain you all the parts. So the heart of the whole project is the Raspberry Pi. So this is the box inside which I have my Raspberry Pi. Um, then I have few sensors. So what you see on the sides are the IR sensor, basically to sense the distance from object. Then I have one light sensor to detect if there are sufficient light for the vehicle to operate. So this is the driver for the motors. So I have a couple of motors over here and over here, which is connected to the wheels. So basically this drives the vehicle forward or backward depending on how it should work. So basically this driver is interfacing with the Raspberry Pi to operate these motors. Then I have a couple of LEDs here, here and here. So one red and a green. So I activate this red LED whenever the vehicle sees an obstacles, and the green one is activated whenever there is no light. Then I have a microphone that's right on the top. So basically this is for taking the voice command to operate this vehicle. Then what you see here down, which I've connected, is an power bank that I typically use for my cell phone charging. So I'm using this to power the Raspberry Pi as well as the other accessories. So this is kind of fully autonomous without requiring any additional power supply. Then I have a speaker. You can see it connected through this 3.5 mm jack cable. This is a Bluetooth speaker which I kind of connected, and it did work, but sometimes it don't work. So what I'm going to do today is really connect it directly through this cable and let it operate about all the voice interaction that the vehicle wants to happen with the user. Okay, so these are the various components that I've used. I will explain how it typically works. So when you fire the Raspberry Pi, so there are two ways actually we can operate this. One way is that when the Raspberry Pi boots, we can directly fire the program that we want to run, but I'm not doing it that way. I'm doing it offline. So what I would do is, since there is no display connected here, I'm using my laptop and using a VNC viewer software to remotely connect to the Pi here, and I will separately fire the program that basically operates this vehicle. So once the program is fired, it basically gets ready to operate, and it will seek your voice command to start. So basically you have to give it the start command that you can start. Once it receives the command to start, it basically would confirm how long do you want to have this ride for. So basically you have to specify using voice the duration for which you want the ride to happen. So once it receives both the command and it accepts that, then it will start moving forward. So what it would do is it will basically use this First use this light sensor to find out if there is enough light. If the light is sufficient, the vehicle will start moving. And when it's moving forward, you will have this 2 IR sensor to detect if there is some obstacle. Based on what it detects, it will either turn right or left, based on which sensors detect anything. If both sensors detect things at the same time, it will basically move backwards. It will not turn. All of this is basically done using a Python program that I have written. I'm also using a lot of libraries, inbuilt libraries that SP Robotics have provided, specifically for, let's say, reading the voice command and convert it into a text format that the Python program can read and operate. So these are the components, and that's the main way that the vehicle should be able to work. So after the duration is over, the vehicle should stop and the ride should be over. So what I will do now is I will give you a short demo of how it works. And yeah, let's see. Thank you. So it's demo time. I have powered on my Raspberry Pi. Vehicle is on standby. I'm going to now run my Python program.
Vehicle is ready to start. Awaiting your voice command to start. Ready to take voice command.
I want to start.
Voice command received. Command to start not detected in your voice. Ready to take voice command.
I want to start.
Voice command received. Okay, so we want to start. How many minutes shall it run?
I want 2 minutes.
Voice command received. Vehicle run time in minutes not detected in your voice. How many minutes shall it run?
I want 2 minutes.
Voice command received. Vehicle to run for 2 minutes. Ready for the ride. The current time is 3:33 p.m. No light detected. Vehicle will stop moving. 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 The ride has ended. Thank you. The current time is 3:35 p.m. Goodbye.